Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nancy here, and today I'm gonna create a makeup look for the Pride month. As you all know, Pride month is come, and now I'm gonna create this makeup look right here for the Pride month. I'm really excited for this, and I've been waiting for this for so long, and I think you guys will like this look, and I'm gonna show each and every step how I created this look. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So first of all, I'm gonna start by applying this primer from Wet n Wild. I'm taking a little bit of it and applying it on my face. I'm gonna take it all over my face so it protects my skin and makes my skin ready for the base makeup. And now I'm using the e.l.f. foundation in the shade Natural, and I'm taking 2 pumps of it. Now I'm applying this foundation all over my face with my fingers because I found it really easy. Now with the help of a damn beauty blender, I'm just blending it all over my face. Now for the concealer, I'm going to use this Age Divine concealer from Maybelline, and I'm just gonna apply it on my under eyes and on my lids as well to get them ready for the eyeshadow. And I'm gonna apply this on my forehead a bit and bridge of my nose and down on chin. I'm just gonna blend this with the same beauty blender. Now to set my face, I'm going to use this loose powder from MAC. Now I'm just going to apply this on my under eyes because they tend to crease a lot. So I'm setting my under eyes with this loose powder. Now for the bronzer, I'm using this e.l.f. bronzer. I'm applying it on my cheek and on my nose. And I'm going to apply this on my forehead as well. Now it's time for blush. I'm using this blush from Wet n Wild. It's a beautiful color. I'm just applying this blush on top of my cheeks. For the highlighter, I'm going to use this Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline. Just gonna apply this on my face. And now it's time for the eyes. Here I'm starting by placing this beautiful yellow shade on my inner corners. I'm just placing the color right there on the inner corners, and followed by this beautiful orange shade. I'm just placing this color on my lid to get the most of the pigment. Now I'm using this red shade. I'm placing it right after the orange color and repeating the same on the other eye as well. Now ending this with a beautiful dark pink shade on both the sides. And now on my lower lash line, I'm starting off with the green color followed by this light green and the blue, and now the purple shade. Now with a blending brush, I'm just blending the eyeshadow so it will look nice and blended. You can see how much it has created the difference just by blending the eyeshadow. Now applying this beautiful highlighting shade on my inner corners and a bit on my nose to match it. And now it's time for this eyeliner. I'm using the Essence eyeliner and I'm just gonna use it to create a small wing. I'm just gonna let the eyeshadows pop out more. You can see how easily I'm creating a thin liner. Now for the mascara, I'm also using Essence. I'm just applying mascara on both of my eyes, and you can see how it has created a difference in the lashes. Now for the lips, I'm using this ColourPop lipstick, and now I'm ready. You can see how I have created this beautiful look. Alright guys, so this brings us to the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys find this video helpful in any way, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below what you think about this video, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.